IV ergometry during third stage of labor should not be given all except cardiac disease, preeclampsia, rhesus negative fibroid uterus. And the correct answer is D, fibroid uterus. The time required for a spermatozoon to develop into mature spermatozoa: 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. And the correct answer is B, 60 days. Which of the following comes under STIs? HIV, AIDS, typhoid, leprosy, diarrhea? Correct answer is A, HIV, AIDS. When oral contraceptives are prescribed for a patient, the nurse should teach the client about the potential of developing cervicitis, fibrocystic disease, ovarian cyst, breakthrough bleeding. And the correct answer is D, breakthrough bleeding. Sexual intercourse should be avoided in pregnancy when there is vaginal bleeding or leakage of fluid, preterm rupture of membranes, sexually transmitted disease, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. During fetal life, the blood vessels having maximally oxygenated blood is aorta, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, umbilical vein. And the correct answer is D, umbilical vein. Which male structure makes sperm, penis, vas deferens, epididymis, testes? Correct answer is D, testes. A client with eclampsia begins to experience a seizure. Which of the following would the nurse in charge do first? Put the citrate, place a pillow under the left buttocks, insert a padded tongue blade into the mouth, maintain a patent airway. And the correct answer is D, maintain a patent airway. Which of the suitable time to take Depo-Provera first? Within 5 days of menstrual period, within 7 days of menstrual period, after 7 days of menstrual period, anytime she wants. And the correct answer is B, within 7 days of menstrual period. DMPA stands for dextrose maltose progesterone acetate, depot maltose progesterone acetate, depot medoxyprogesterone acetate, Drunal medoxyprogesterone acetate. And the correct answer is C, depot medoxyprogesterone acetate. The usual dose of DMPA is 200 mg every 3 months, 150 mg, 250 mg, 350 mg every 3 months. Correct answer is B, 150 mg every 3 months. The effective of oral contraceptive is reduced by rifampicin, phenobarbital, ampicillin, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Norplant contains norgestrel, levonorgestrel, ethinyl estradiol, norethistrel. Correct answer is B, levonorgestrel. Most sensitive measure of growth is weight, height, MUSC, BMI. Correct answer is A, weight. Child can transfer hand to hand by 4 to 5 months, 6 to 8 months, 9 to 11 months, 12 to 14 months. Correct answer is B, 6 to 8 months. Flooding as a behavioral therapy is best indicated in obsessive compulsive disorder, phobia, schizophrenia, mental retardation. Correct answer is B, phobia. The safest site for IM is deltoid, ventrogluteal, dorsogluteal, rectus femoris. Correct answer is B, ventrogluteal. The main cause of incontinence of urine after obstructed labor: vesicovaginal fistula, rectovaginal fistula, rectourethral fistula, anal fistula. Correct answer is A, vesicovaginal fistula. Codeine is used to treat pain, cough, diarrhea, all of above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Infectious Disease Act in Nepal was endorsed in 2010, 2020, 2030, 2040. Correct answer is B, 2020. What is the appropriate dose for tetanus toxoid? 0.5 ml, 0.05, 1 ml, 0.1 ml. Correct answer is A, 0.5 ml. Numerator is not the part of denominator in IMR: sex ratio, crude death rate, crude birth rate. Correct answer is B, sex ratio. World Health Day is celebrated on 1st December, 31st May, 7th April, 8th May. Correct answer is C, 7th April. Most important causes for airways obstruct during surgery is increased mucosal secretion, laryngeal edema, depression of respiratory muscle, decreased level of consciousness. Correct answer is A. Increased mucosal secretion. For the client with flame burn, the immediate step would be to stop the burning process, to transfer to hospital, check airways patency, to allow to drink water. Correct answer is A. To stop the burning process. A person with fever is best treated with lukewarm sponge, cold sponge, ice sponge, none of the above. Correct answer is A. Lukewarm sponge. Blood is fecal transmission for hepatitis A, hepatitis C, cytomegalovirus, cancer. Correct answer is C. Cytomegalovirus. The average maximum growth spurt of the female occurs at the age of 10 years, 12 years, 14 years, 16 years. Correct answer is B. 12 years. The relation between prevalence and incidence is expressed as P equal to IDD, I equal to PD, P equal to 1 minus D, D equal to PI. And the correct answer is A. P equal to incidence into duration of disease. Toddlers prefer and adopt another type of play: solitary, parallel, coordinative, competitive. Correct answer is B. Parallel. Selection of toys for infants require following criteria except soft and safe, affordable, inappropriate of age, stimulating and colorful. Correct answer is inappropriate of age. A nurse in charge orders her new subordinate to come with the patient's overall record and history within 5 minutes. Which leadership is she using? Autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, none of the above. Correct answer is A. Autocratic. Fight or flight response of the body occurs in which stage of general adaptation syndrome of stress? Resistance stage, exhaustion stage, alarm reaction, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Alarm reaction. The assignment modality that includes cooperation and collaboration of nursing professionals to intervene a client is patient-centered method, functional method, team method, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Team method. The apolitical and non-governmental nursing organization of Nepal is Nepal Nursing Council, Nursing Association of Nepal, both A and B, none. Correct answer is B. Nursing Association of Nepal. Engorgement of breast on the third postpartum day is due to an overabundance of milk, ineffective nursing of the baby, lack of adequate breast support, congestion of the lymphatic system. Correct answer is D. Congestion of the lymphatic system. Nepal Nursing Council was established in 1986 AD, 2009 AD, 2053 BS, 2048 BS. Correct answer is C. 2053 BS. A client in labor is dilated 8 cm, has a desire to push and is becoming increasingly uncomfortable. She requests pain medication. The nurse should help her to take panting breath, prepare the birthing bed for her, assist her out of bed to the bathroom, administer medicine as prescribed. And the correct answer is A. Help her to take panting breaths. What nursing care should be included in care of patient with placenta previa? Vitals and at least once per shift, or tap water enema before the birth, documentation of the amount of bleeding, limited ambulation until bleeding stops. The correct answer is C. Documentation of the amount of bleeding. During the first hour after CS, the client's lochia saturates one perineal pad. What should the nurse conclude that this indicates? Scant lochia flow, postpartum hemorrhage, retained placental fragment, lochia with normal limit. And the correct answer is D. Lochia with normal limits. Clients with class 1 heart disease in active labor should be positioned in supine high fallers, supine semi-fallers, left lateral semi-fallers, left lateral low fallers. The correct answer is C. Left lateral semi-fallers. Postpartum hemorrhage mainly occurs as a result of twin births, retained placenta, over-distended bladder, uncomplicated hypertension. Correct answer is A. Twin birth. When examining a pregnant client, a diagnosis of preeclampsia is made when the client's BP is elevated and accompanied by headache, 150 by 100 mm of Hg while standing and sitting, above the baseline and fluctuating at reading, greater than 140 mm of Hg systolic, and the client has proteinuria. The correct answer is greater than 140 mm of Hg systolic, and the client has proteinuria. The nurse evaluates that the danger of a seizure in women with eclampsia subsides after labor begins, after birth occurs, 48 hours of postpartum, for 24 hours of postpartum. Correct answer is C, 48 hours of postpartum. What maternal conditions is associated with abruptio placenta? Cardiac disease, hypothyroidism, gestational hypertension, cephalopelvic disproportion. Correct answer is C, gestational hypertension. Sitz bath is effective for episiotomy wound because this primarily and the healing process by promoting vasodilation, softening the incision site, cleaning the perineal area, tightening the rectal sphincter. Correct answer is A, promoting the vasodilation. Low back pain in labor mostly occurs when the position of the fetus is bridge transfer, occiput anterior, occiput posterior. Correct answer is D, occiput posterior. Most common causes of spontaneous abortion is physical trauma, unresolved stress, embryonic defects, congenital defects. Correct answer is A, physical trauma. The nurse determines the teaching regarding episiotomy care was effective when the client changes her perineal pad twice daily, rinses with water after applying an analgesic spray, washes her hands whenever she changes perineal pad. Perineum from the anus towards symphysis pubis. And the correct answer is C, washes her hands whenever she changes perineal pad. The nurses teach postpartum clients to ambulate early as this enhanced respiration, increased bladder tonicity, strengthened abdominal muscle, promote peripheral vasomotor activity. And the correct answer is D, promote peripheral vasomotor activity. An indication to the nurse that placenta is beginning to separate from the uterus and is about ready to expel is the relaxation of the uterus, descent of the uterus in the abdomen, appearance of sudden gush of blood, retraction of the umbilical cord into the vagina. And the correct answer is C, appearance of sudden gush of blood. During the period of induction of labor with oxytocin infusion, the nurse should observe the client especially for signs of severe pain, hypoglycemia, uterine atony, umbilical cord prolapse. Correct answer is C, uterine tetany. When is it most important of a female client to know that a fetus is most likely to be structurally damaged by the ingestion of drugs during early adolescence, throughout entire pregnancy, when planning to be pregnant, beginning of the first trimester? The correct answer is C, when planning to be pregnant. Morning sickness probably disappears by the end of dash month of pregnancy, 5th, 3rd, 4th, 2nd. Correct answer is B, 3rd. Purplish discoloration of the vaginal mucosa due to increased blood supply to pelvic region during pregnancy is termed as Ladin sign, Hager sign, Gödel sign, Chadwick signs. Correct answer is Chadwick signs. At which week of pregnancy does uterus become an abdominal organ? 8th, 10th, 12th, 18th. Correct answer is C, 12th. In which direction should the nurse instruct the client to direct nozzle of medications dose? Left, right, sacrum, umbilicus? Correct answer is C, sacrum. The most common site for cancer cell growth in the cervix is at the external os and the regional nodes, internal os and endocervical nodes, junction of cervix and lower uterine segment, columno-squamous junction of internal and external os. And the correct answer is D, columno-squamous junction of internal and external os. A client with prolapsed uterus is scheduled for a vaginoplasty. Preoperatively, the client nurse should encourage ambulation, apply moist compressor, elevate the foot of the bed, support the prolapsed uterus. Correct answer is B, apply moist compressor. The name of the test that requires to prepare a couple for a test to determine the number, motility and activity of sperm is Rubin's test, postcoital test, Papnikolaou test, sperm penetration test. Correct answer is B, postcoital test. Which is important for the nurse to discuss with a client who just had a vasectomy? Recanalization of vas deferens is impossible. Unprotected coitus is safe within 1 week to 10 days. Some impotency is to be expected for several weeks. It requires at least 15 ejaculations to clear the tract of sperm. Correct answer is D. It requires at least 15 ejaculations to clear the tract of sperm. In which position should the nurse place the client when gastric lavage tube is being inserted? Supine position, mid phalos position, high phalos position, Trendelenburg position. Correct answer is C. High phalos position. Which findings leads the nurse to suspect a transfusion reaction caused by incompatible blood? Dyspnea, cyanosis, backache, bradycardia. Correct answer is A. Dyspnea. The nurse administered beclomethasone by inhalation to a client with asthma. The nurse understands that the purpose of this therapy is to promote comfort, reduce respiratory bacteria, stimulate smooth muscle relaxation, decrease inflammatory cell response. Correct answer is decrease inflammatory cell response. When planning for the client's safety needs in relation to the urinary catheter in place after surgery, the nurse should empty the bag in every 6 hours, keep the system closed all times, maintain the tension on tubing, attach bag to the side of rail of the bed. And the correct answer is B. Keep the system closed all times. A client has excessive respiratory secretions. In addition to encouraging the client to cough, independent nursing care should include postural drainage, turning and positioning, administration of an expectorant, percussion and vibration technique. The correct answer is B. Turning and positioning. The physician orders daily sputum specimens to be collected from a client. It is appropriate most for the nurse to collect this specimen from the client after activity, before meal, on awakening, before a respiratory treatment. Correct answer is C. On awakening. To avoid lipodystrophy mass in a client on insulin therapy, the nurse should teach a client to exercise regularly, rotate the injection site, use the jet track technique, avoid massaging site. Correct answer is B. Rotate the injection sites. A female client has a tonic-clonic seizure. What is the priority nursing intervention during the stage of seizure? Turn her on her side, protect her from injury, call for additional help, establish a patent airway. Correct answer is B. Protect her from injury. A client with hemiplegia is starting blankly at the wall and complains of feeling like a half a person. Initially, the nurse should distract the client from self-pity, include the client in all decisions, help the client explore personal feelings, prevent the client from developing. And the correct answer is C. Help the client explore personal feelings. When evaluating appropriate response of a client member in developing awareness stage of grief, the most important factor for the nurse to consider is individual's personality traits, educational level, cultural background, past experiences with death. Correct answer is C. Cultural background. A nurse explains to a nursing assistant that the problems that can be resolved within nursing scope is medical problem, nursing problems, proposed plan of care, actual intervention done. Correct answer is B. Nursing problems. The client has been told to stop smoking by the physician. The nurse discovers a pack of cigarettes under the client's pillow. What should be the initial action of the nurse? Report the situation to the head nurse. Call the physician to request directions. Let the client know the cigarettes were found. Discard the cigarettes without making comments to the client. Correct answer is C. Let the client know the cigarettes were found. A nurse identifies that the patient's wound site is bleeding by observing abdominal dressing after 4 hours undergoing abdominal cholecystectomy. What should the nurse do? Change the dressing, reinforce the dressing, apply an abdominal binder, replace the tape with Montgomery straps. Correct answer is B. Reinforce the dressing. What does the nurse identify as the most likely cause of phlebitis of a client's IV? Excessive height of IV solution, failure to adequately secure the catheter, lack of asepsis during catheter insertion, infusion of chemically irritating medication. Correct answer is C. Lack of asepsis during the catheter insertion. A client to receive 2000 ml of IV fluid in 12 hours. The drop factor is 10 GTT per ml. At how many drops per minute should the flow rate be set? 20 drops per minute, 28 drops per minute, 30 drops per minute, 33 drops per minute. And the correct answer is B. 28 drops per minute. Body's adaptation to excessive fluid losses by a client with diarrhea are evident by a decrease in which clinical indicator: pulse rate, skin turgor, specific gravity, body temperature. Correct answer is A, pulse rate. Which electrolyte is highly depleted in case of hypokalemia? Sodium, calcium, chloride, potassium. Correct answer is D, potassium. When preparing an intravenous medication, the nurse is aware that it is essential to use strict sterile technique. Rotate the bag after adding medication. Use exactly 100 ml of fluid to mix medicine. Change the needle just before adding medicine. And the correct answer is use strict sterile technique. In the preoperative unit, a nurse identifies that a client is more anxious than most clients. The nurse-based intervention is to attempt to identify the client concerns, report the client's anxiety to the surgeon, reassure the client that the surgery is routine, provide privacy by pulling the curtain around the client. Correct answer is A, attempt to identify the client's concerns. The nurse observes an anxious client hyperventilating and intervenes to prevent cardiac arrest, carbonic acid deficit, reduction in serum pH, excess oxygen saturation. Correct answer is B, carbonic acid deficit. A client with the 4th stage of cervical cancer reaches the stage of acceptance. The nurse can best help the client in the stage by allowing the client to cry, encouraging unrestricted visiting, explaining the client what is being done, being around though not necessarily speaking. The correct answer is D, being around though not necessarily speaking. When talking with the nurse about the problem of not being able to make friends, a teenager begins to cry. At this time, it is most therapeutic for the nurse to sit quietly with the client, tell the client that crying is not helping, point out how the client can change this, suggest that the client play a board game. The correct answer is A, sit quietly with the client. The effectiveness of nursing intervention is identified in the evaluatory phase, planning phase, implementary phase, assessment phase. Correct answer is A, evaluatory phase. What is the most important nursing intervention for a child diagnostic of nephrotic syndrome? Encouraging fluid, regulating the diet, preventing infection, maintaining bed rest. Correct answer is C, preventing infection. What procedure will probably help confirm the diagnosis of Hirschsprung's disease? Rectal tube, suction biopsy, multiple saline enema, fibroblastic nasoenteric tube. Correct answer is B, suction biopsy. A cleft lip predisposes a client to infection because of deficient nutrition from ineffective feeding, inadequate circulation in the defective area, waste products that accumulate along the defect, mouth breathing that dries the oropharyngeal mucous membrane. Correct answer is D, mouth breathing that dries the oropharyngeal mucous membranes. Asymmetric gluteal folds is sign of congenital inguinal hernia, CNS damage, peripheral nervous system damage, dysplasia of hip. Correct answer is D, dysplasia of hip. What is the primary nursing intervention for an infant with a myelomeningocele before surgical correction? Minimize infection, prevent trauma to the sac, observe for paralysis, assess degree of bowel and bladder control. And the correct answer is B, prevent trauma to the sac. What sign or symptoms indicates an increase in intracranial pressure for a child diagnosed with meningitis? Bradycardia, hyperalertness, decreased pulse pressure, decreased systolic pressure. Correct answer is A, bradycardia. The nurse is aware that an additional defect associated with the extrophy of the bladder is incorporate anus, absence of one kidney, congenital heart disease, pubic bone formation. Correct answer is D, pubic bone formation. The most critical factor that should be noted for a 6-year-old child in IV infusion is maintaining the rate of IV infusion, maintaining a patent airway, monitoring parenteral fluid for date of expiry, administering medication that reduces oral secretion. And the correct answer is A, maintaining the rate of IV infusion. On what should the nurse focus when performing the initial assessment of a newborn diagnosed with Down syndrome? Reflex responses for hypotonicity, eye examination for congenital cataract, sensory stimulation for muscle flaccidity, cardiac irregularities and malformation. Correct answer is D, cardiac irregularities and malformation. The lowest score of APGAR is 0.364. Correct answer is A, 0. Closure of the newborn's foramen ovale caused by a decrease in aortic blood flow, or decrease in pressure in the left atrium, or increase in the pulmonary blood flow, and increase in the pressure in the right atrium. Correct answer is D, an increase in pressure in the right atrium. Complication of hemorrhoid includes anemia, cancer, ulcer, intestinal obstruction. Correct answer is A, anemia. What is incorrect? ECG electrocardiogram, CCF congestive cardiac failure, RSD rheumatic heart disease, ECT electrocurrental therapy. Correct answer is D, ECT electrocurrental therapy. By physical examination, dash % of data is taken: 15, 50, 80, 85. Correct answer is A, 15. A client is found unconscious and unresponsive. The nurse should first initiate code, check for a radial pulse, open airway, initiate CPR. Correct answer is A, initiate code. The most important electrolyte of extracellular fluid is sodium, potassium, calcium chloride. The correct answer is A, sodium. Which is not a phase of crisis? Shock phase, defense phase, acknowledgement, resistant phase. Correct answer is D, resistant phase. Which of one of the following is not a neurotransmitter? Digoxin, dopamine, noradrenaline, both A and C. Correct answer is A, digoxin. The major mental illness in which symptoms vary from height of excitement to depth of depression is called paranoia, manic depressive psychosis, schizophrenia, neurosis. Correct answer is B, manic depressive psychosis. Which vital sign is of great importance prior to administration of diuretics? BP, pulse, respiration, temperature. Correct answer is A, BP. A patient with CBA has aphasia. The term aphasia denotes difficulty in swallowing, difficulty in cell growth, difficulty in speaking, difficulty in movement. The correct answer is C, difficulty in speaking. The nurse understands that a client with dyspnea has difficulty writing, swallowing, speech, breathing. Correct answer is D, breathing. The nurse is evaluating a client fluid loss resulting from extensive burns. Which blood test is most valuable when determining the client's fluid loss? BUN burn, blood pH, hematocrit, sedimentation rate. Correct answer is C, hematocrit. A client has a hypoglycemic reaction to insulin. When the nurse assesses the client, which adaptation is indicative of the response? Glycosuria, perspiration, dry hot skin, fruity odor of breath. Correct answer is B, perspiration. The nurse is caring for a client with nasointestinal tube. Which solution should the nurse plan to use when installing this tube to ensure its patency? Sterile water, isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, hypertonic glucose. Correct answer is B, isotonic solution. The physician orders a paracentesis. How should the nurse instruct client to prepare for the radiograph? Void before the procedure, a laxative the evening before the procedure, nothing by mouth for 8 hours before procedure, a low subsurge enema the morning before the procedure. The nurse is administering O2 to a client with chest pain who is restless. What is the method of O2 administration that is likely to increase apprehension in the client? Cannula, catheter, Venturi mask, rebreather mask. Correct answer is A, cannula. Tick the wrong statement about chest tube drainage. Periodic milking should be done. Clamping of the tube while transporting the medicine. Chest drain tube should be kept below the level of waist. Chest tube drain more than per hour requires further assessment. The correct answer is A, periodic milking should be done. Which of the following is not a sign of myocardial infarction? Typical chest pain, increased urination, ECG changes, elevated cardiac enzyme. Correct answer is B, increased urination. Which of the following is true for suctioning? It should be done every hourly. Patients should be breathing spontaneously for suctioning. Suction should be done only when withdrawing to tube for not more than 10 to 15 seconds. Asepsis should be done maintaining during procedure. And the correct answer is C, suction should be done only when withdrawing the tube for not more than 10 to 15 seconds. The nurse is caring for an older adult with a hearing loss secondary to aging. What can the nurse expect to identify when assessing the client? Copious moss cerumen, tears in the tympanic membrane, difficulty hearing woman's voice, overgrowth of the epithelial auditory lining. Correct answer is C, difficulty hearing woman's voices. A client is under medication of rifampicin. A nurse should explain to him or that she may have visual disturbance, peripheral neuritis, red color urine, tinnitus. Correct answer is C. Red color urine. The antidote for warfarin is vitamin K, protamine sulfate, and acetylcysteine physostigmine. The correct answer is A. Vitamin K. Which of the following is largest white blood cell? Monocyte, lymphocyte, basophil, neutrophil. The correct answer is A. Monocyte. Esophagus passes the diaphragm at the level of T8, T10, T12, T9. Correct answer is A. T8. Adam's apple is a arytenoid, cricoid, thyroid, corniculate. Correct answer is C. Thyroid. The thickest layer of tissue in uterus wall is perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium, none. Correct answer is B. Myometrium. The muscle which helps in blinking of eyes, orbicularis oris, occipitofrontalis, levator palpebrae superiors, orbicularis oculi. Correct answer is C. Levator palpebrae superiors. Sella turica is found in ethmoid bone, sphenoid bone, parietal bone, temporal bone. Correct answer is B. Sphenoid bone. Antidiuretic hormone is secreted by adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis, hypothalamus, thyroid gland. Correct answer is B. Neurohypophysis. Which of the following is known as biological clock? Thalamus, cerebellum, pons paroli, hypothalamus. The correct answer is D. Hypothalamus. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला, त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। थ्याङ्क यू।